Hello, greetings friends. Welcome to today's very interesting problem sums where multiple topics and concepts are involved. Things like fractions, ratio, and a certain heuristic or what is known as a strategy grouping method is also tested in this question. Let's discuss. Karen's shop sold shoes and bags. The ratio of the price of a pair of shoes to the price of a bag was 4:5. Let's highlight this. Okay, so shoes is to bag, the price is 4:5 units. The price of a pair of shoes was $4 less than the price of a bag. Alright, so right from the get-go, if we zoom in on the ratio here, we will know that the difference between the shoe and the bag will be 5 minus 4, 1 unit. Okay, and that difference of 1 unit is equal to $4. Right? And we can do one thing, we can immediately find the cost of the shoes, which is 4 units, so 4 times $4, $16, and we do the same thing for the bag. The bag will cost 5 times $4, $20. At least have this written down so that we have an idea about the costings of each of the items. Okay, now Karen sold 1/5 of the items in the first month and collected $1,092 from the sales. 6/9 of the items sold on the first month were shoes. Alright, now there is something amiss here, because they have said that Karen sold 1/5 of the items, which means that she only sold one part out of a total of 5 parts. Alright, again, she only sold one part out of a total of 5 parts. But now, in the next statement right here, they have said that 6/9 of the items sold, which means that items sold should actually be 9, right? 9 parts, not 1 part. So what we need to do is to make these two numbers the same. And a very quick way to do that is to times 9 here, times 9 here, and we will get 9/45. Now I'm just going to erase these so that you can get a clearer picture of what's the change all about. Okay, Karen sold 9/45 of the items in the first month and collected $1,092 from the sales. 6/9. Now the information matches each other. Right, 6/9 of the items. So this tells us that 9 parts were sold. This also tells us that 9 parts were sold. Right? So we need to make this number and the earlier one there the same, which we have done. Again, this is items sold in first month. Alright? And out of these 9 parts, or what you can say as 9 units, in fact don't use units, okay, because we have used that earlier. What you can say about these 9 parts is that 6 out of these 9 were shoes. Okay, so let me write it down. Okay, 6 parts were shoes. Now since she only sells shoes and bags, 9 minus 6, which is 3 parts, this will be for the bags. Okay, now what I know from this 6 and these 3 parts is that they will allow me to get $1,092 of sales. Yeah, this plus this will give you $1,092 of sales. But the challenge is that I know it's not just 6 shoes or 3 bags. It's not just this. It's 9 parts of shoes and 3 parts of bag. Because if it's just 6 shoes, it will be $16 times 6, right? And plus the 3 bags, $20 times 3. If you add this up, you will not get 1092. You will not get that. Okay, so here onwards we need to use grouping. Okay, so in one group or in one set, we have 6 shoes and 3 bags. So over here, 6 shoes, 3 bags. Alright, so sales in one group alone, let's see how much that is. 6 times the cost of shoes, $16, plus 3 multiplied by cost of bags, $20 each. Let's see what is the total here. So 96 here, plus 60 here. 156. There you go. See, in one group alone, it's not enough to cover the total sales. So there is many of these groups. There's one here, then maybe another one here, another one. Okay, so that in total, so many groups, total, I must get 1092 sales. If it is just $156 in sales, then you only have one group of items. Okay, next step, we find the number of groups. This will be 1092 divided by 156. Seven groups. Okay, so you have one here, you have another group here, another group here, another group here, and each of these groups has 6 shoes, 3 bags. 6 shoes, 3 bags. Okay, and you have literally 7 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 of these groups. Okay, the question is how many items were sold? 7 multiplied by, in each group there are 6 plus 3, 9 items in each group. Answer is 63 items were sold in the first month. Alright, so again, we are using ratio here. There's some fractions involved. We've got to convert the fractions, and then we also use grouping. Thank you very much.